In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear wiper blade on a Toyota Sienna, located on the rear hatch. First thing you're going to want to do to change the wiper blade on that rear wiper arm is to turn the key in the on position and turn the wiper blade, and then once it's in a down position, turn the power off, so now you can easily access it. So you're going to grab the wiper arm, it's spring loaded, so pull up on it, and then you're going to want to hold it with your secondary arm, bring it up as far as you can, pull that like that, and let it twist right out. Like that. So it's a little hook. As you can see, what the style was, where it was the top half, had that overhang. So you're going to grab your new one, position it the same way with that little overhang, and you're going to put that rib right in there. Then you can lock it down, close it, and then turn your wiper blade on and confirm it works. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.